Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the trigonometry exercise number 3. So in this first sum, evaluate tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees. This sum, how can you solve? Just tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees. If you observe this sum, numerator and denominator terms both are different trigonometric ratios are there. If it is there like that, then you cannot cancel the terms. What is our aim here? Both numerator and denominator terms should be in the same trigonometric ratio with the same angle is there, then you can cancel the terms. So try to change these terms into the same trigonometric ratio with the same angles. So these two angles are complementary angles. So this entire exercise is related to the complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Just see here. Complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are nothing but the sum of the two angles. The sum of the two angles equal to 90 degrees. Then you can say that those two angles are complementary angles. So 36 degrees and 54 degrees are both equal to 90 degrees. Both the sum means addition equal to 90 degrees. So that means these two angles are complementary to each other. These two angles you can say that complementary angle. So here sin 90 minus theta, that equal to cos theta. Again cos 90 minus theta, that equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Again secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. These are the complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta, then it becomes cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, it becomes sin theta. As well as tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. And secant becomes cosecant, and cosecant becomes secant. These complementary angles proof I already explained in my previous videos. I will attach that video to this video. If you want to learn, please watch that video also. Now here see, either numerator or denominator you can take, that is our wish. Both should be in the tans or in the cot of trigonometric ratios. I want to take the denominator. I want to change the denominator value in terms of tan. So cot 54 degrees equal to, how can you write this one? Cot 54 can be written as cot 90 minus 36. Other angle only, no need to think. Here directly other angle is there, 36 degrees. From 90 to 36 if you subtract, then you will get 54 degrees. For getting of 54, I have written like this. So cot 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 equal to 54. Now apply the complementary angles. Now cot 90 minus theta, where 36 degrees is the theta. So cot 90 minus theta equal to, what's the value? Tan theta, where theta equal to 36 degrees. How I changed here? This one is according to the cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. According to these complementary angles, I have changed this one. So directly instead of cot 54 degrees, we can substitute this tan 36 degrees. Now the given thing is tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees equal to, now tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 equal, I already proved here. So this one tan 36. Instead of this you can write tan 36 degrees. Now Both in the numerator and denominator, both the terms should be same and the value is also same. Then you can cancel the terms easily and you will get 1. Therefore, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees equal to 1. This is the answer. Is it clarified? If you want to copy this one, please copy this one. Next one, in the first one, second bit is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Now, 12 plus 78, that equal to 90. These two are complementary angles. Now, anyone you can change, that is our wish only. So, first, second one I am changing here. Sin 78 equal to sin 90 minus 12 degrees. Whenever if you subtract this 12 from 90, then you will get 78. 12 plus 78 equal to 90. So, other angle directly you can write here. So, sin 90 minus theta. Now, you observe here, just you observe this one. This is in the form of complementary angles. Now, you apply that complementary angles. Now, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, where theta equal to 12 degrees here. So, cos 12 degrees. That means sin 78 degrees equal to cos 12 degrees. Now, the given value, given thing, right? Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees equal to cos 12, the given value, minus sin 78. Instead of sin 78, you can write, you can substitute this value, that equal to cos 12 degrees. So, cos 12 degrees minus cos 12 degrees, that equal to 0. Both are equal. One is a plus and another one is minus. So, you will get 0. This is the answer. Next, third bit. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Again, 31 plus 59 equal to 90 degrees. These two are complementary angles. Same procedure, you can apply any of them. Anyone you can consider either first one or the second one. But both should be in the same trigonometric ratio. Try to change like that. So, I am considering here first one. Cosecant 31 degrees can be written as cosecant 90 minus 59. Second angle directly you can write. Now, cosecant 90, now apply the complementary angles. Cosecant 90 minus theta, that equal to secant theta, that equal to secant, where theta equal to 59 degrees, that equal to secant 59. Now, given question, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees equal to, instead of cosecant 31 degrees, you can substitute this value, secant 59. That is secant 59 degrees minus second one is secant 59 degrees. So, secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees equal to 0. This is answer. Here what I applied, since here cosecant 90 minus theta, that equal to secant theta. These complementary angles ratio, just I applied this one. This is the final answer. Is it clarified? If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Next, fourth one, sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Now, fourth solution, sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Any other symbol is not there in between these two, means the meaning is multiplication, that you can show here like that dot, or you can represent. Now again same, 15 plus 75, that equal to 90 degrees. These two are complementary angles. Anyone you can change here. secant 75 degrees equal to secant 90 minus 15 degrees. First this angle you have to change and write down. So that is from 90 to how much you have to subtract to get this 75 degrees angle, like that you have to write down. So secant 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 equal to 75. Here angle only I have shown here like this. Now apply that complementary angles. Secant 90 minus theta, that equal to cosecant theta, where theta equal to 15 degrees. Cosecant 15. This according to this sense here, secant 90 minus theta, that equal to cosecant theta. According to this complementary angles ratio, I have changed this one. Now apply this one. Given question is sine 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. This one is secant 75 degrees equal to cosecant 15 degrees. Now the given question, sine 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees equal to sine 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees. Instead of this, you can write cosecant 15 degrees. Now, again sine 15 degrees into cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So, that cosecant 15 degrees you can write 1 by sine 15 degrees. Again in the numerator and denominator both the terms are same. So, you will get one value is 1. Therefore, sine 15 into secant 75 degrees equal to 1. That is the answer. Next, last problem, the first one, that is fifth solution. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Both are tan terms only, but angles are different. So, again anyone you can change, either first one or second one. I want to change the first one. Tan 26 degrees equal to tan 90 minus 64. These two angles are complementary angles. 26 plus 64 equal to 90 degrees. So, this 26 can be written as 90 minus 64. So, tan 90 minus theta. Now, apply the complementary angles. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, where theta equal to here 64 degrees. Now, here tan 26 degrees equal to cot 64 degrees we got it. Now, the given question is tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees equal to tan 26 degrees into tan 64 equal to here tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees equal to tan 26 degrees equal to here first one I have changed it. So, this value you have to substitute, that is cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Now, either first term or the second term you can change. Now, cot is the reciprocal of tan as well as tan is the reciprocal of cot. So, first one, anyone we can change. Suppose cot 64 degrees into tan is a reciprocal of cot. So, 1 by cot 64 degrees. Tan 64 degrees can be written as 1 by cot 64 degrees. Again, cot 64 degrees and cot 64 degrees you can cancel. The answer is 1. So, therefore, here therefore tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees equal to 1. That is the answer. This is the final step. Must and should you have to write like this. Therefore, the given question equal to how much you are getting. That value you have to write down. Next question. Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. LHS equal to RHS, you have to show that. So, consider LHS value. What is that? Given thing, right? Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. This is the LHS value. Now, these 4 trigonometric ratios, these terms you have to cancel and you have to show that the value equal to 1. Now, in this 4 tan trigonometric ratios are there. Try to cancel the terms. How can you cancel? Again, same. Here also you have to apply that complementary angle. So, just let us start here. 48, observe first. Observe this question. 48 plus 42 equal to which 2 angles? If you add 90 degrees, you will get those 2. You have to consider. 48 plus 42, 90. As well as 16 plus 74, that equal to 90. So, first 2 you have to write down as it is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into next 2 you have to change. So, tan 42 can be written as 90 minus 48 degrees. Again, in this tan 74 can be written as 90 minus 16 degrees. First you have to write like this. Now, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Now, tan 90 minus theta. Now, apply that complementary angles. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, where theta equal to 48 degrees. So, cot 48 degrees. As well as here also same. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, where theta equal to angle here 16 degrees. So, you write here cot 16 degrees. How we have changed here? Since tan 90 minus, this is a complementary angles formula. 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. According to this formula, I have changed here. Now, again tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees as it is you write. Now cot 48, cot is a reciprocal of tan. So this can be written as 1 by tan 48 degrees into. This also same thing. Again cot is a reciprocal of tan. So 1 by tan 16 degrees. Now tan 48, tan 48. Directly you can cancel the terms. Why? Because one is in the numerator and the second one is in the denominator. And here also tan 16 and tan 16. So the entire answer here 1 is the answer. This is LHS value. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. We proved here. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Next question, second bit, second problem. Now cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS, you have to show that. Now consider LHS value. That is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. This is the given LHS value. Now write down. First one I am taking. Here's two terms are there. So first term is in terms of the cos and second term is in terms of sin trigonometric ratios. Both are different. If both are same, then you can cancel the terms and you can show that entire value equal to 0. So try to write like this. So here first one I am writing as it is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36. Sin 36 means 90 minus. These two angles are complementary angles. So 36 plus 54 equal to 90. So 90 minus 54 equal to 36. This 36 value can be written as 90 minus 54, as well as here sin 90 minus 36. Like same second one also, same as well as in the first term, I have written like this. Now cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 90. First you have write like this angle only you have to write in terms of the complementary angle. Later you apply the formula, complementary angle formula. So 90 minus 54 equal to 36. Now this is in the form of complementary angles. Now apply the complementary angles formula. Sin 90 minus theta, that equal to cos theta, where theta equal to here 54 degrees. So cos 54 degrees into again same sin 90 minus theta, that equal to cos theta, where theta equal to 36 degrees. So cos 36 degrees. Now just you observe here, cos 36 into cos 54 minus cos 54 into cos 36. Both angles are same and the trigonometric ratio is also same. Whenever both terms are same, one is a plus and another one is a minus, then you will get directly can cancel the terms, directly will get value 0. Therefore, cos 36 or directly show that LHS equal to RHS. Yes, we proved here. Next question, if tan 2A equal to cot A minus 18 degrees, where 2A is an acute angle, then find the value of A. Now, in this, first given that tan 2A equal to cot A minus 18 degrees. Given thing, first you have to write down. Next, here just you observe here, the question always you have to observe. LHS equal to RHS, here two terms are given, but both are different trigonometric ratios. Whenever these two are equal already is given, you have to consider this one and find out this value A. And 2A is an acute angle. So acute means less than 90 degrees. So this value can be written as, or this entire term can be written as cot 90 minus 2A. Why? Because cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. So here RHS side cot term is there. So try to change the first term is in the form of or in terms of cot term. So cot 90 minus theta, theta is nothing but here 2A. So here equal to cot A minus 18 degrees. How we have written like this means, where tan 2A, that means tan 2A equal to cot, write like this, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Since you have to write according to this, apply this formula. According to this, I have applied here. Instead of tan 2A, I have written cot 90 minus 2A. Now here cot 90 minus theta. Now apply that cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. You are getting here, no? So now here LHS and RHS terms you have to observe. Both are same trigonometric ratio. Then you can cancel the both cot terms, and now angles you have to consider. 90 minus 2A equal to A minus 80 degrees. Now in this A is a variable term. That variable you have to find out. Here 90 is a constant value and minus 18 is on the right side. That comes to this side, it will become plus. That equal to A already is there on the right hand side, and minus 2A goes to other side, it will become plus 2A. So 90 plus 18 equal to 108 degrees equal to A plus 2A equal to 3A. this LHS equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS. In this A is a variable term, so A equal to 108. 3A is nothing but 3 into A. So whenever the A value we want, then 3 goes to other side, it will become the division form. So 108 by 3. 3 is divisible in this. 3 divides 10 3 times. 3 3 is 9 and 1 is a balance, 1 8 18. In 18 3 goes 6 times. Therefore A equal to 36 degrees. This is the answer. Next question, if tan B equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees, given that tan A equal to cot B. Use this one, you have to show that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So here one is in the tans ratio and another one is cot. So any one, either both should be in the same trigonometric ratio, then only you can solve the sum. So either LHS side or RHS side, any one you consider and you change. Suppose if you want to write or if you want to change the LHS term in terms of cot, then you can write tan A can be written as cot 90 minus A, that equal to cot B. So cot 90 minus theta, that equal to tan theta, where theta equal to here A. So since cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, according to this complementary angle ratio, I have used this one. So cot 90 minus A equal to cot B, and both sides cot terms are there, so you can cancel cot terms. Now 90 minus A equal to B. Now 90 equal to, this A goes to other side, it will become plus. So A plus B or B plus A, anyone you can write. Therefore A plus B equal to 90 degrees. This is the answer. Next question in this fifth one, if A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. First write down given thing. What is given here? Given that A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. Till this is given. Now then what will happen whenever these three are interior angles of a triangle, then you can apply that angle sum property, that is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property. Angles are given, so you have to apply the angle sum property. These three interior angles sum equal to 180 degrees. Now on dividing the above equation, by 2 on both sides, then we get this angle sum equal to sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees, that is the angle sum property. First you have to write like this. Later what you have to show here, this tans and cots, leave it about this one, and here A plus B by 2 and here also C by 2 is there. By 2 is there, so you also divide that above equation by 2 on both sides. So on dividing the above equation by 2 on both sides, then we get, just you have to write like this. Then A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2. Now here A plus B plus C by 2 equal to these two, it divides 180 90 times, so 90. Now here A plus B by 2 is there on one side and C by 2 is the other side, so you also split this one. So A plus B by 2, A plus B plus C by 2 is nothing but A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2, but here both A plus B by 2 is required, like that you have to write, plus C by 2, that equal to 90. A plus B by 2 equal to this c by 2 you have to transfer to other side, so it becomes minus 90 minus c by 2. Now just again you observe here what you have to show here, this in terms of tan and cot is there. So on taking tan on both sides, then apply that tan. So tan a plus b by 2 equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Now here this is in the form of this, directly is the term tan a plus b by 2 that equal to tan 90 minus theta. Here theta is c by 2. Now apply the complementary angles ratio. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. This value equal to cot c by 2. Here tan a plus b by 2 equal to cot c by 2. This we have proved here. Which formula we applied here means tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. According to this, I have changed it here. Yes, we showed here. See now. Tan a plus b by 2 equal to cot c by 2. Yes, this is the answer. We have already proved this one. Next, last sum in this exercise. Now, express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. These two terms you have to express in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Here angles are given more than 45 degrees, but you have to show in terms of trigonometric ratios only, but in the angles are in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Now, first given that sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Given thing you have to write down. Now, these angles can be written as sin 75 can be written as 90 minus 15. Where 90 minus 15 equal to 75, as well as this angle also you have to write 90 minus 25 degrees. 90 minus 25 equal to 65 degrees. Now apply the complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta that equal to cos theta. So that equal to cos 15 degrees, where theta equal to here 15 degrees, plus cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, where theta equal to here 25 degrees. So sin 25 degrees. Here what we applied here, since now sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, as well as cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. According to this, I have applied this one. So therefore sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees equal to cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. This is the answer. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you all. Once again, thank you.